Hi everyone, welcome back to At Home Science, and today we're going to be talking about building stuff. Have you ever wondered what engineers and architects do all day? They get really creative and design a whole bunch of really cool things. So if you guys have Legos at home or Connects at home, that's great. You can create awesome designs with these things. But if you don't, that's okay as well, because we can build amazing structures with all of these items that I have in front of me here. We're going to start with the most simple thing, paper. So you can take paper like this, or even like this, and you can build structures such as this. You can build bridges, houses, barns, apartment buildings, whatever you want with just tape and paper. So what I did to get started is I cut pieces of paper that are about the same size, and then I rolled them up. So first what you want to do is you want to take some tape and you want to rip a couple of pieces so that you already have it pre-cut, just like this. You're just going to stick it on the table beside you. Then you're going to take the piece of paper and you're going to roll it up just like this. And you're going to take the piece of tape that you just cut, wrap it around, and you have something to build with. You can use a whole bunch of things that you have at home. You can use popsicle sticks, tape, straws, elastics, marshmallows, and even toothpicks, and of course, glue. To build a structure out of popsicle sticks, all you need to do is take the popsicle sticks and some glue and stick them together just like that. You can also build structures out of items from your kitchen. So you can take marshmallows and toothpicks, stick them together to create a structure. Right here we have a little chair and somebody lounging. So for this next activity, we're going to either be using small popsicle sticks or larger ones, whichever ones you have at home. So this is a bit of a challenge, but if you're up to it, you can follow along with me. So first you're going to pick your first few popsicle sticks. You can take the white one and a green one. And what you're going to do is you're going to make an X on the table just like this. And you want to pay attention to which one's on the bottom and which one's on top. Then you're going to take your third popsicle stick, right here, it's the pink one. And what you're going to do is you're going to tuck it under the white one over here. And you're going to put it over top of the green one. And you're going to fold it over as far as you can. Once you get it over as far as you can, like this, you're going to stop right there. You're going to put your finger on the pink one and then pick up your next one. Once you have your next one, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to tuck it underneath that first one again. Once it's underneath that first one, again, you're going to want to make sure it's over top of the pink one. And it should look something like this. From here on, we're going to follow the same pattern. You're going to pick up another popsicle stick just like this, and you're going to tuck it under this one and then rotate it around until you're able to put it on top of the one you just did before. And you can tuck it in just like this, making sure you have enough room on the one below to tuck in another popsicle stick. So then you're going to take another one, always making sure you're keeping your hands on top of it so it doesn't release the pressure. You're going to tuck it in, rotate it, and pop it on top of that one that you had before. You can continue in this pattern until you make a really long one, and then once you get to the end, you can release it and see what happens. So as you can see, I have mine built here, so yours can be as long or as short as you want it to be. And then once you have your hand here, you can release it and you can see what happens next. Throughout that experiment, we were using different forces. When we were bending the popsicle sticks, we were creating tension on one side and compression on the other side. And while we were building it, throughout the time when we were overlapping that tension and compression, we were creating what's called potential energy. And we were holding it on that very last popsicle stick. When we released that popsicle stick, it turned into kinetic energy and released all the popsicle sticks. Thank you so much for joining us at Home Science. I hope you guys have fun building and creating different structures today.